Welcome everybody to a brand new presentation, something that we've never done before. Most of it is because of proprietary interest in science and products. We don't like to divulge everything, but we do feel that people should be educated on how a new formula is actually made from its inception, even before it goes into production.
We use only technical grade distilled waters. This is called the high pressure homogenizer.
And this will stay this way for months.
This is immortal, so this will stay forever. So here now we are going to do the mixture of water and oil, and we will add the lipase so that we can begin the fractional distillation or splitting of the oil, what we call. Let me introduce our lab manager here, Eric.
And so we see the micellization is complete, and then we're going to put it through our fractional distillation machine here. And there is our micellized finished product.
And now we will load the actives in. If we want to make it in a cream, we can use the cream base, going to loosen up the tight junctions, basically tyrosine as activator. This is the main supporting actor in the movie. It will rotate first anti-clockwise, then it will rotate clockwise. If you add the lecithin, this lecithin in it, it further stabilize the micellar preparation, and this now you can use as a thickener, as a permeability enhancer. Perfect.
Pioneer project number, I forget what number, but anyway, this now we're going to take into the clean room, put on our anthrax suits and everything else, and look at it under the electron microscope. Well, that was an illuminating little journey, wasn't it?